How did imperial architect rivalries shape Ottoman architecture? Imagine a city skyline filled with stunning domes and towering minarets, each one telling a story of fierce competition and creative genius. That's what happened in the Ottoman Empire, especially in Southeast Europe. Rivalries among imperial architects fueled the growth of impressive structures that still amaze us today. These architects, called Mimar, were responsible for designing mosques, bridges, and palaces. They competed to impress sultans and patrons, pushing their skills to new heights. This competition made their designs more ambitious and refined, leading to iconic features like large central domes and slender minarets. In Southeast Europe, where the Ottomans ruled for centuries, this rivalry blended Ottoman styles with local traditions. Early mosques combined Byzantine elements like multi-domed prayer halls and vaulted ceilings, adapting them for Islamic worship. Over time, these buildings became more grand and symmetrical, with big courtyards and complex arrangements of domes and semi-domes. The architects also competed in urban planning by designing mosque complexes called kulliyes. These included not just prayer spaces but also schools, baths, and charity buildings, turning them into vibrant community centers. One of the most famous architects in this rivalry was Mimar Sinan. In the 16th century, Sinan created masterpieces like the Selimiye Mosque in Edirne, a city in Southeast Europe. His design featured a massive single dome that covered the prayer hall, surpassing earlier multi-domed mosques. Sinan's work set new standards for Ottoman architecture and inspired others to innovate. His buildings used advanced engineering techniques, making structures more stable and beautiful at the same time. This competition among architects led to a rich collection of buildings across Southeast Europe. You can still see their influence today in cities like Plovdiv, Skopje, and Sarajevo. Ottoman buildings in these places show a mix of imperial grandeur and regional styles. The rivalry pushed architects to create structures that symbolized Ottoman power and cultural unity. It was a time of constant innovation, and the results are buildings that continue to tell stories of ambition and artistry. In the end, these rivalries helped shape the unique look of Ottoman architecture in Southeast Europe. They encouraged architects to push boundaries and combine different styles, leaving behind a legacy of stunning, functional, and symbolic structures. This ongoing competition made the region's cities vibrant and full of history, all built on the drive to outdo each other in beauty and innovation.